Hey there everybody, Merry Christmas 2020. Well, this sure has been one heck of a year. Whether you're building or you weren't building or whatever, it was just crazy with all the COVID and everything. So stay safe, wear your mask, and keep building, I guess. Whether you're building Lego, Mega Blocks, Lepin, or whatever bricks you're making, or it's just something you're creating yourself. Have fun and do it. We have lots of time on our hands right now. I hope you have a great Christmas, and I hope you got lots of great sets for Christmas. And I'll be back probably tomorrow with my Christmas haul. So we start off in the land of Frozen, and we continue on into the land of Frozen right over here in the manger scene, and lots of other cool things going on down here. But if we take a little trip up the mountain, we're now at the North Pole. The elves are just settling down after Santa Claus came back. Everybody's in rest mode, enjoying the Christmas day here at the North Pole. And up here in Canada, we're just dying to play hockey again. Or at least watch it on TV. Yep. That's the Busy Beaver down at the base of this CN Tower. Pretty cool tower that one is. Just an overview of everything here. Needs a lot of work and cleanup. We'll do that in the coming months and in the spring. But in the meantime, I wish you guys all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we'll see you guys again shortly. Bye for now.